So good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel once again. So we have another problem on the board from the same year, 2010, question 42. This is diagram given to us, and we are told that the diagram shows a rectangular cardboard from which a semicircle is cut off. Calculate the area of the remaining part. So this diagram is based on rectangular shape, a cardboard, you understand? But a semicircle is cut off from that cardboard. So what do you need to analyze problems like this when you see into your exam? So please listen up. So I'm going to express it one after the other. Solution. Now, since we are talking about area here, so everything that you must apply here should be based on what? Area. Note that one. That's the first thing you should note. Now, the second thing you should note is that try to complete this shape like this. So what do you now have now? You have what? A rectangle. So you go back to the formula for area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is what? Length times breadth. So which means that just multiply 22 by what? 8. That will give you the area of a rectangle. So that will give us 22 multiplied by 8. And that should give us what? 176 centimeters squared. That's the area of a rectangle. We have got one of the shape. Remember that we are told that a semicircle is cut off. So if a semicircle is cut off, this semicircle, let me bring it out, please. This is the shape that I have there. All right, that's the shape we have there. This is a semicircle. Now remember something, that from here to here is 22. Here is 4, and here is also 4 centimeters. So how do we get the value that will be at this point, which is serving as our diameter in that case? So 4 plus 4 is 8. Do you understand? Then 22 minus that 8 will give us what? 14. So this side is 14 centimeters. So here is 14 centimeters. Do you understand how I got that? Since from here to here is 22, and we are told that this side they are 4 centimeters. Add it together, then subtract, do it like this, 22 minus what? 8. That will give you what is going to be here. So by the time you add these three together, we'll still result back to what? 22. But we have a challenge. The challenge we have is that we don't need the diameter, because this line is the diameter of that semicircle. You understand? Because diameter is a line that cuts circle into two equal parts. Remember that. So what we need is the radius, not the diameter. So we are going to say that our radius is diameter over what? 2. That means you have 14 divided by 2, and that will give us what? 7 centimeters. We have gotten our radius. But we are told that it's a semicircle. But let us recall something. Let's remember the formula for area of a circle. So area of a circle formula, let's recall that area of a circle is what? Pi r squared. So if area of a circle is pi r squared, and we are dealing with semicircle here, which means that we need to get the formula for area of what? Semicircle from area of a what? Circle. Semi means divided by 2. That's just it. So if the area of a circle is 4 centimeters squared, semicircle will be what? 2 centimeters squared. So let's improvise that into this formula too. So therefore, area of a semicircle will now be what? 1 over 2 pi r squared. That's the formula. So just replace the parameters now. So therefore, we have 1 over 2 times, what is our pi? 22 over 7. And what's the radius? Radius is what? 7, but it is squared. That means 7 times 7. Do you understand? So one of these 7 can cancel out one of this. Then I can also do it like this. 2 here 1, 2 here what? 11. So therefore, my area of a semicircle will now be what? 77 centimeters squared. Do you understand? So for us to get the area of the remaining part now, we now see that therefore area of remaining part will now be 176 minus 77. Subtract it. So and that should give us what? 99 centimeters squared, which is the final answer to the problem. This is how to solve problems like this. So that's option what? D. So when you see this kind of problem, you don't need to be scared. You understand? Just analyze the shape, and that's all. So that will mark the end of today's lesson. Please don't forget to like my video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more of this. I'll see you guys in the next class. Bye for now.